one of the things that you can generate is this link as well. So to do that, you need to go around into open other, and you can see that Sling is an option right here. So if I were to click on this, then here you can see the Sling model. So you can go around with the, let's say for example, the presets right here, press OK, and it'll be generated as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and change around the noise temperature by using this dial right here, and you can see that this is simply a noise, but as soon as you change around the value, the noise becomes different right here. So you can see that you can really make subtle changes to really change out how it looks. You can go around with border growth over here as well, and then arrange out these settings right here. So let me just go around onto the default portion right here. So you can go around onto defaults, and everything becomes default, but you can go around and change around, let's say, spontaneous growth right here. So it is, let's say for example, if I were to decrease this, the growth is rather small, but if I were to increase it, it is more active over here, just like this. You can work around with the border growth right here as well. So you can decrease this out right here, and you can see that it becomes more blocky right here as I change this. But as soon as I increase out the noise right here, then you can really go around and change around the things of this link right here. So that is how you can generate a Sling out inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.